Good afternoon, everyone. Today I'll teach you a non-traditional Claypot chicken rice by using the leftover KFC fried chicken. Yes, ingredient is the same except you are replacing the chicken with the KFC fried chicken. So what you need for this Chinese, or what we call Claypot chicken rice. Yep, very simple. I use a cup of rice. I think it should be able to serve for 2 people. Claypot. This is optional. I just love egg, so that's why I have a hard-boiled egg. So this is optional. The Chinese sausage, 2 of it. I soak it, remove the skin, and I cut into smaller pieces. The fried chicken, I cut into a smaller piece as well. The sauce, it might look a lot here, but actually it's very simple. All of your house will have these similar ingredients. Okay, definitely cannot run away from sesame oil. This is a sesame oil that I always use from Penang, Jihing. This is the oyster sauce. This is the oyster sauce. This is the dark soy sauce or caramel sauce. I guess so. This is the sour pepper, soy sauce, oil, some sugar, and some salt. That's it. That's all you need to make a Claypot chicken rice. Okay, let's start. So now we make the sauce first. You will be using it later on. So usually it depends on your taste bud, whether you like this saltier, you are sweeter, it depends on you. So no hard rules. So put some peppers. I'll put oyster sauce. I believe it's about 2 tablespoons. I always just roughly. Okay. Soy sauce, about 2 tablespoons as well. Okay. The sugar, half a teaspoon. A bit of salt. Yes, you might have the soy sauce already, but salt is slightly different. So you need a pinch of soy sauce. So the dark soy sauce is depend how dark the sauce you want it to be. Okay, just put a bit. I do not like too dark. Okay, and the most important definitely is the sesame oil. This is the most important part. Okay, you can put a bit more for the flavoring. The aroma is superb. Okay, put there. That's it. How about the oil? What I'm going to do is that I'm going to heat up the oil first. I'm going to heat up the oil before I pour into here, because this will bring out the flavoring inside this sauce. So it's good that you heat up the oil. And you basically can put it in. I'll put back the ingredient first. Like soy sauce. Okay. Black pepper. So just heat up the oil and just give about 1 minute. I'm heating up the oil. Let me show you how I heat up the oil. I'm trying to heat up the oil over here. This one will bring out the flavoring of this guy. Yeah, it's a very important step. If you just use the normal oil, normal cooking oil, cold oil, you can't bring out the flavoring of this. You can't. Yeah, you can't. So yes, it's hot. Off the fire. Then you slowly, carefully, let me show the sauce. Can you hear the sound? Yes. You need to mix it. So no need to too much. If it is too much, then you just put this away. Yeah. Do not need too much. Okay, now let's start cooking. Let's start cooking. What we need to do now first is to definitely clean the rice first. So pour this in, put in the water. So at least you wash it twice, yeah. Wash twice. Continue soak like this. I'm using water filter water. Remove the water and wash one more round. And do all the starch come out. Then now I need water. How much water do I need? How much water? So as normal, how you cook the rice is about one finger until this side. You put in under this side of the finger. So just put a bit more water. Now. Okay. So it's about, yeah, almost reaching here. About here. So this is the place. So now let me heat this up. So what additional step that I usually do is that when I'm heating up the rice, I put a bit of oil. Just a bit of oil to make sure that you have the flavoring. Yeah? Then you close it, high heat until it's bubbling, then you take it out and let it cook until it's almost done. Okay, let's see you again. I will need to wait for this guy to get bubbling. So after about 2 minutes to 3 minutes, you just need to make sure that you open up the lid and see whether it's bubbling. Now this one is bubbling, so we just need to stir a bit. Just stir a bit. Let it evenly cook. So, yeah, high heat. Continue for another few minutes. Then around the whole cooking, I think less than 15 minutes. 1-5. Yeah, preparation is about another 15 minutes or 20 minutes. The cooking is about 15 minutes. So it's very simple. Okay, when it starts to bubbling a lot, we open up the lid and let it cook from there. Then we can observe how much the water is going to drain out. When it's almost done, when you can see very minimal water, then we can start to put in all the ingredients. So let it bubble for a while. Now, you still make sure it's high heat. And once in a while, just make it some stir and let it cook. Okay, now you look at this one after about 5 to 6 minutes on high heat. You see, the rice is almost cooked. The water is also lesser. So make it a bit of stir. This is the time that we need to put in the ingredients and let it to cook another few more minutes in low heat. Okay. So when the water almost dry up, then we'll start to place in the chicken that we cut off just now, the KFC chicken. Yeah, now it's still considered low heat. And then we put in the Chinese sausage. Depending on what you want to put, I'll put Chinese sausage here. And I'll put in the egg as well. The half-boiled egg that I cut into half. Because I love eggs, that's why I add in. This is optional. Yeah, it is optional. So now let's cover it for a while. Yeah, let's cover it for a while. Let the water dry up a bit more before we put in the sauce. So I think this is less than a minute. After a minute, we open up the lid. If it's almost dry, you can't see the water on the surface anymore. Means it's almost cooked. And now we put in the sauce. Try to put the side as well, so the crust will be there after it cook. So put in the sauce. Yeah. And then you cover it and let it cook for another minute, 60 seconds in low heat. Yeah. Yes. So now this is the outcome of it. How is it? Is it nice? It smells so good. So it's almost done. So if you still see some bubbling here, the water is there, then you just need to turn up the heat a bit to let it dry up. So you want to have the crust down there, very simple. Just put some oil. I do not like it, so I don't put additional oil. If you put some crust there, you put a bit of oil over at the side there. Now you start char and the side will be very, very crispy. So this is how it looks like, the end result. I hope you all like it. Thank you. You should try it out, yeah? No harm trying. If you don't like it, next. Thank you for supporting. Thanks for supporting the channel. I love all of you. Thank you very much. So this is the end result of it. I would like to ask all of you to comment as well what sauce that you usually pair with. In Malaysia, we call it chili padi. There's mini chilies, which is a bit spicy, and some soy sauce. This is what we usually pair with. Leave a comment there. Let me know what usually the sauce that you pair with is. Tomato sauce, chili sauce, or any other sauce. Let me know. Thank you very much. Thanks for the support.